Hey, it's James the Forager here, and today I've got a really exciting recipe to share. It's a twist on a Jamie Oliver salmon pate recipe we did a couple of Christmases ago, and it is delightful. So we're making a mouth-watering Marsh Samphire and sea spray crab pate using fresh coastal ingredients. First, we'll head out to the coast and we're going to gather our ingredients. For this part, we're getting just Marsh Samphire tops, and we're getting sea spray shoots as well. It's actually sea blight bush. I've got some ID guides for those as well to help. So, now we've got our coastal goodies, we're going to head back to the kitchen. We'll begin by stripping the leaves from the sea spray and finally chopping up the Marsh Samphire so it's all nice and small. These greens will give a really nice coastal flavour to our pate. Next, 100 grams of smoked salmon, 150 grams of cooked and peeled prawns. Now, chuck those on the chopping board, give them a coarse chop because I want it to have texture and some bite still. I'm not going to blend it. Pop it in a bowl. I'm going to combine chopped salmons, prawns, and the zest of a full lemon and the juice of that full lemon as well. Then I'm going to chuck in 100 grams of white crab meat. And then, not to forget our coastal goodies, we're going to chuck those in as well. 200 grams of cream cheese and just mix it all up. I'm going to season it really well, salt, pepper, add a tiny little bit of dill and extra dill for serving. That's it. Our mixed Marsh Samphire and sea spray crab pate. Perfect. Enjoy. Happy foraging.